up, guys? Or metal, whoever's gonna be watching this. I'm doing my stats project today, and yeah. So my topic was correlation between sleep and athlete's performance score, and my main question was, does correlation have a positive does sleep correlate with an athlete's performance score? So yeah, and I have some samples that I got from people at school. Some of them didn't want to be recorded, so I just took their hours of sleep and their performance score. So here's some of the guys. How many hours of sleep did you get before practice the next day?
5 hours.
Based on your answer, what would your athletic performance score be on a scale of 1 to 10?
1 to 10, probably like a 8.
I got 6 hours of sleep and my athletic performance score was a 7.
I got 6 hours of sleep and my athletic performance was 8.
I got like 4 hours of sleep and I'd say my athletic performance score is like 5.
The number of hours I got to sleep were 4, and I had 8 out of 10 performance.
I got 4 hours of sleep. My athletic score, I give it about a 6, 7.
I had 8 hours of sleep and my athletic performance was 7 out of 10.
And my hypothesis for the topic was, my null hypothesis was, there is no correlation between sleep and an athlete's performance score. My alternate hypothesis was, there is a positive correlation between sleep and an athlete's performance score. All right, now that I've shown the people that I took scores from, or samples from, I did it on my notebook. This is the table I made. The number of athletes, 17. The hours of sleep is the X. The performance scores is Y. And then the scatter plot, it's positive because it's going upwards to the left. A strong correlation, strong positive correlation. And then here's the equation I made, or I found, because Romero, I don't know if we went over this in class. I kind of don't remember, so don't get mad at me, I guess. I found it on YouTube and I kind of know how to figure it out. So to get X, Y, you have to square every number in each column to get the X and Y. For the X squared, you square every number in the X column. Same thing for the Y. You square everything in the Y and then you add it up. Same thing for the X, square it, add it up, and then the equation, you can kind of see it. I solved it, plugging in the numbers, doing the numerator and the denominator. I got 0.71, which is the R, which is the coefficient for correlation, which is 0.71. That's a strong positive correlation between number of hours of sleep and an athlete's performance score. And then my conclusion is that there is a correlation between an athlete's number of sleep and their performance score.